Alright, so here's how to convert MP4 file to MP3 with VLC Media Player. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, if you don't have the VLC Media Player, then you can go and search for the VLC Media Player in the Google and then go to their official website like this and simply download and install it. It's quite simple, so I'm not gonna show you that. So simply download and install the VLC Media Player. Then from here onto the search bar, just type in VLC Media Player. Then open the app like this. And then from here on the left upper side, you will probably see the media option. You need to select that one and go with the convert or save option. Alright, then this menu will show up. Now from here, you need to select the add button. And now from here, you need to find out the video that you want to convert. So for my case, I'm going to convert this MP4 file. So I will select that and simply go with the open. Then we will go with the convert and save option. Now from here, you need to select the MP3. Make sure to select this one, audio MP3, and then simply go with the edit profile. So this is the edit profile option, so you need to tap on that. And then from here, you need to select the audio codec. Then make sure that keep original audio track is selected. So if not selected, simply select this one and simply save. Alright, now you need to select the destination path. To select the destination path, you need to select the browse option. Now you need to rename this file. So I'm going with MP3. Then simply tap on save. Then simply tap on start. And it will take some time to convert your file. So I think the file has been converted successfully. So let me just go to the properties. And as you can see, this is MP3 file. So that's how you can simply convert MP4 to MP3 with VLC Media Player. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.